Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video. Many of my friends tell to me that I'm making a video on an important topics that's like lubricating system, fuel system, APU or GPU, etc. So first of all, thanks to all of them who prefer my videos. So today I will discuss the most important topics, that is an APU or GPU. So without any wasting time, let's start.
We all know that a jet engine is the heart of the engine, and when an aircraft flies, the jet engine provides power, that is electrical power. But have you think, when an aircraft is in ground, then who supply the power of an aircraft? Yes, you are right. That is an GPU, means ground power unit, and it takes the electrical power from the external source, and is also called the AGPU, means auxiliary ground power unit. A GPU supply better electrical power, but the main problem was that it was unable to maintain the air pressure and it has more cost. Now, the plane required a system which can resolve all the problems, and it could also perform nicely when both jet engine is in off condition. Now, in order to resolve all these problems, there is a small jet engine is installed in the tail portion of an aircraft, and this small jet engine is called APU, auxiliary power unit. This APU supply electrical and pneumatic power. So, because of this electrical and pneumatic power, air pressure and temperature is maintained inside the plane. So now we can know why APU is installed in modern aircraft. APU is installed in modern aircraft because of main engine starting, and if the main engine is not operating, then we also use APU. At the time of flight emergencies or ground power is not available, then we also can use an APU, auxiliary power unit. APU is also used as an starter, which starts like a jet engine. When the both jet engine are off condition and no other ground power is connected, in such condition, first of all, with the help of the batteries, APU is started, and that time a red light is blinked and all the control system in the cockpit is on. The sound of the APU is which starts the jet engine. As we know, APU is also a small jet engine which released pressurized gas like jet engine, and this pressurized gas also called the bleed air. The bleed air strike to the main jet engine, and because of this strike, the main jet engine also started, and now the plane is ready for the takeoff. After the takeoff, the APU will be off, and when the plane is for landing, before 10 minutes we on the APU, and all the power system are connected to the APU. The aircraft which has not APU, they use AGPU, means auxiliary ground power unit. As we know, APU is like an engine, so it has also the 5 stages. I have made my other videos on jet engine, and I also discuss every stages of the jet engine. So if you don't see that videos, you can go my playlist and check. As APU is a small jet engine, it has also the 5 stages like jet engine. That's like inlet, number 2 compressor. But in APU we use centrifugal type compressor, combustor. APU use CAN or annular type combustor, but that depends on the APU turbine. And finally we use the turbine and exhaust. So it was the full of APU, auxiliary power unit. So my friends, that was the APU, and I have requested to all that if you have any doubts related these topics, please comment below the comment section. I will reply of your answer, and I will make another videos on many important topics on jet engine. that's like lubricating system, fuel system, and etc. And if you don't see my previous video, you can go my playlist and check. That's very interesting. And I also mark the DGCA questions and answers also. So that should be very helpful for you. And if you really like this video, please one request, like, subscribe this video and share with your friends. Thank you so much.